already. So, this is a package from Music Plaza. This will have... And then it should also have the Dark Rain version of Baekhyun's Bambi, I believe. So, yes. Okay. Oh, cute! Okay. So there's some freebies in here. Aw, Suo. I see. Cute. Aw. Cute. Oh yeah, okay, we're gonna open whatever's just, yeah, I mean this one's first, so this one's getting opened first. Oh, and this is where I get nervous because I'm not gonna use my scissor. I don't trust myself. Okay, maybe if I can get that to, okay. There we go. We got a piece off. Wow, I really suck at filming. I keep looking back and realizing that I'm not even in frame at all. Okay. I think the slipcover is so cool. Okay. Right. I literally don't remember what's in here. We're just gonna put this to the side. I'm pretty sure that has all the inclusions in it, so yeah. Okay. Let's flip through this. I'll probably do this one quickly because, you know, I should have done, yeah. I love this. He looks so good. Yeah, I really like the size of this photo book though. I'm sure this is probably standard looking at what the colorful trauma sizes were. I'm sure set was just very large. See, I got these and I couldn't figure out a way to film them, so I've had them for a few days. And I've just been holding myself back from opening these. The lighting is so, like, overexposed. Apologies. I don't really know how to fix that. Oh yeah, I saw this in a video where they were unboxing this album. It gets glossy. I love his glittery hair. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling to keep the book open now. I love the lighting. Oh, he's so pretty. I love that one. I'm struggling. I should talk about my favorite track. Hold on a minute. I don't know what those are. Oh. I mean, come on, All I Got was insane. I really like Cry for Love as well. I mean, I like the whole album. His vocals are crazy. Okay, I guess we'll unfold these. I don't remember what these are. Oh, these are the posters. Okay. Oh man. Okay. I didn't know it came with 2. I forgot. Yes, the hair. I feel like the crease always, like, if I like held it like that. Anyways. Lovely. Okay. And I'm sure in here are where all the inclusions are. Okay. I think I got all of them. Yeah, okay. And this is the lyric book, I believe. I really like how dark this this version is. And then there's the disc. Whee! Look at that go. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, we'll do photocard first. Or postcard, excuse me. Okay. I think it's interesting how you can get, like, this is from the other version, but you can get it, I mean, this is also from the other version, isn't it? Cute. He's so adorable. Okay, and then the film strip. Oh, this one's really hard to show. There we go. I think these are so cool. Like, you're not gonna be able to see it at all when I put it down. Yeah, okay, well. And then the clear card. We got the glittery hair. This is so exciting. See, I really hope in the other one I don't pull dupes. I mean, that goes for like all albums I open. I mean, nobody wants to pull dupes, but yeah. This was Bambi. I'm happy with it. Oh my gosh, it just looks so good. Anyways. Now we have, why is it so overexposed? Okay, we have this package from Kpop USA too. So yes. Okay, let's try and cut this open without, they put a lot of tape. Okay. See, I get very scared with these packages that I'm gonna like cut the album. Wow. Okay. Okay. I guess I will open Bambi first. How to be, I'm just gonna use my nails. Okay, maybe not. There we go, okay. Hopefully I don't get a dupe of the photo card, or honestly just of anything. Okay, there's the cover. This cover is really cool. Okay. And then I'll put these to the side. And photo book time, okay. I think this shirt is really funny. Like, hold on, once we get a closer photo. Sorry if the lighting's bad. Like, Merry Birthday? Or Merry Unbirthday? Huh. I really like this photo shoot with the animals, and it just changed to matte. This one's so cute. Oh yes, Spotify cover. Oh wait, no, this one's Spotify cover. Yeah. Uh-uh. Alright, there's the photo book. Right. I don't want to see my inclusions. I'm really bad at taking out inclusions. Okay. I've done it. Okay. Ooh, I like the contrast of the lyric book. That's too dark. Okay. That's pretty. Okay. CD. Okay. Now we get into inclusions, which I'm gonna try and hide. Oh, okay, well I saw the back of the photo card, so I know we didn't get a duplicate because it's from the other version. Okay, we got SM ad. Okay. This is... Okay. Postcard. This one's different for sure. Cute. Okay. Poster. These are very large. I don't know how to... Okay. Oh, wow. See, okay, the issue is I can't really hide the film strip or the clear card. I can't just turn them around. Cute. Okay, let's go like this again. See the whole thing. Okay. I guess we'll do film strip first. I don't know. Hold on, let me see. Let me go peruse through my other album. I forgot where I put everything. Yes, I got a different one. Cool, we got both of the film strips. That's exciting. Okay. I think we may have gotten the same. Yeah, we got the same clear card. Same clear card. I don't know if I don't know. I kind of feel like I'll probably want to trade, but I don't know how to do that with these clear cards. So okay, and then I know the photo card's different. I'll just move these to the side. Cause okay, we got different versions. So like I got the Bambi version in the dark rain version, and the dark rain version in the Bambi version. I would have been so nervous if it was a yellow card. Cute. Yes, this is the one with the glittery hair, isn't it? Cute. Yay, I'm glad we got different ones. That's exciting. Okay. Alrighty. So these are my polls. I will see about trading the clear card because I really do like these cards. They're really cool. Like, I know they're not as desirable, I guess, as normal photo cards, but I really like them and I'd rather have different ones. So, yes. Anyhow, that was all for the other version of Bambi. Anywho, bye!